Hey, hey, hey! It's a bit dark in here, isn't it? I wasn't expecting it to be so dark. Um, Today's Facebook Live is all about making sure that you know what you are doing and why. Why are you doing it? That is the basis of what is going to drive you, what is going to keep you going, because you're going to have those hard times, you're going to have those challenges, you're going to have things, you're going to come across things you don't want to have to deal with, but actually you do. And I think if your why is stronger, it'll get you through. I have been talking for a while about putting together an office in my house, using my spare room as an office. And I talked about feeling that maybe I was procrastinating, that maybe I wasn't wanting it enough, it wasn't important enough, and that was probably what was holding me back. But today something else hit me. I have two daughters. One of them moved back home in April. Unfortunately, her relationship broke down, and she moved back home in April with her dog, which was another learning experience for all of us because we have a cat. And I was thinking, Christmas is just around the corner, and it would be really good if I had both my girls here for Christmas. And it dawned on me, that's the other reason why deep down, subconsciously, I have not been wanting to convert that room into a office. Because I know she'll be back. She's already said that after Christmas her plan is to move out of the house that she's in now. And in order for her to re-establish herself and get into that place where she's ready to do that, it makes sense for her to come back to her roots. And that room is there for her. And if you're thinking about this in terms of business, it's like a safety net. Your parents' house. Your parents, for most of us, I know a lot of people have different stories, different circumstances in their lives, but for a lot of us, your parents are always there for you, whether it's on the end of the phone, whether it's on the web chat, whether it's through Skype. Your parents are always there for you. You might fall out, but they're always there for you whenever you need them. And that's what we're doing. And in your business, you need something to fall back on. Once you've identified how strong your why is, you know that starting a new business is risky. And you need to fund your business. So when you have a strong why, when you get the right plan, when you start taking action on that plan, you need a safety net. And for a lot of people, it's the job that you have currently. It's your source of income that you have currently. That is your safety net. That is also the way you fund your business. That is the way you fund all those tools and resources, software, up-to-date laptop computer systems, antivirus, firewall, all of those. You will need all of those. I've currently got an email series going out, which is basically telling you step by step what are the things that you really need to start your business. I'm currently on day 4, which is going to be about system, having the right system and why you need that. If you want access to those emails, send me a message under this video, because then I will send you the videos, the emails that have already gone out, and the continuation of the rest of them. And the other thing was that you need to have a team. Building a business on your own is really hard, and you need to have a team. And I don't mean you need to have people that are standing beside you all the time, people that you delegate work to or anything like that. It can be an online team, a community. You need a community. You need people to bounce ideas off. Everyone has different areas of expertise, so you need those people to be able to share your ideas with, and they might be able to answer the questions that you have as well. You support each other, which is really worthwhile. Did the screen just jump? Not sure. And I will tell you that I'm building my own community. I'm building my own community right here on Facebook in the group Freedom with Style, because everybody wants freedom, but freedom is no good without style. I had freedom not having a job 9-to-5 job anymore, but I had no style. I could sit at home all day, watch TV all day. That is not style. That is doing nothing. Now I am travelling as much as I possibly can, and that is style for me. And I'm here for my kids, and that is my style as well. My style of life. So think about that. Freedom. What style do you want with your freedom? What style do you want to take? And if you get into my group, Freedom with Style, you will get inside knowledge from everything that I am learning, because I am being coached by top earners, and they are awesome. Everyone in the group that's been coached by them is killing it, absolutely killing it. You know, we've learned how not to market, how not to set things up, what you really need to set up first to make it all work properly together. So if you want access to that sort of coaching, get into the group Freedom with Style. I will post this on YouTube, and I will be looking for comments on YouTube as well as comments on the Facebook page, Teresa Morrison Coaching. And I hope to see lots of you sending me messages, sending me comments, because this is the stuff you need to know, and you need to know it now to get set up for 2019. So I hope this has been useful to you. As I say, you need to have a safety net, and you need to have a system that works, and you need to have a community of support. That's for me today. I've been Teresa Morrison, and you've been watching me on Facebook Live or YouTube stream, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.